happy campers. It's 2021 and I am sick and tired of this shirt. Just pulled it off the hanger. It was nice and clean, smells so good, and it has stains on it. So if y'all would please leave in the comments great ways to get stains out of shirts. You know, for those guys that just can't seem to stop the grease from... I know what my mother will say. Dawn dish detergent has to be the blue kind. Yes, mother, I know. I know. At any rate, it's 2021. It's time to stop wearing this shirt in our videos. So, here we go. Just so much better. Alright, nice clean shirt. Let's start off the new year of 2021 with some coffee. When I went shopping for camping gear at REI, I had a couple people ask, what did you buy? And I decided to go with a little something to make some coffee. So this is what I purchased at REI. The Ultralight Java Drip from GSI Outdoors. Forgot my mug. Here we go. Kaylin has her own mug. Well, Tommy got me this mug when I was overseas. Looks pretty simple. Sometimes simple does the job, right? It's designed to be nice and light, but yet effective. Go with you on a hiking camping trip. I'm gonna use just a glass mug for now. That's what I got. So it sets up like that. And it says to put a number 2 or number 4 filter into it. Now I need some hot water, right? I love this little burner. I think it's so awesome. Fold all this stuff out here. Screw this bad boy onto your butane propane canister. So it said use a number 2 or number 4 filter. I got number 4. It's a little on the big side. Hopefully it should do the job. I'm a little worried about the size of this cup. I need to get something bigger. All that water is boiling up. Let's make some extra strong coffee. Coffee! Tanya and I like the Cafe Olay by H-E-B. H-E-B is a local grocery store chain in Texas. And we like the Houston blend and the San Antonio blend. Houston blend is my favorite. It actually has pecan praline and coconut flavors in the coffee. Oh yeah. That's nice. This is taking forever. So how are y'all doing, happy campers? Y'all looking forward to a great 2021? A better 2021? It's going to be better, right? Going to do more camping? That's what I'm looking forward to, more camping. And we got this RV. We've used it a few more times, getting a little more practice at it. I'm still scared to death to back it up. Practice makes perfect, right? Wow. So this little filter and stand weighs less than ½ an ounce. It's pretty light. Alright, we got a good boil going on there. Let's turn off the fire. Looks like it ran down. Looks like it seeped out the side over here. Came down the side of the cup, made a mess. Came down the side of the cup, made a mess. So that where it would have helped if this filter hadn't been touching this leg right there. Leg or stand, whatever they call it. It's our first time. What can I say? Now I gotta read how to clean the thing. There we have it. Nice hot cup of coffee. Absolutely worthless on a 100-degree day. I'm just kidding. I can't understand drinking hot drinks in South Texas in August. It just doesn't compute for me. But right now, it's late December. They say ice storms are on the way. Sounds like a good day for a hot cup of Joe. Who is Joe? Hand wash. Oh, here we go. Hand wash with mild detergent in hot water. Use only non-abrasive cloths and cleaners. Okay. I think I can handle that. What? Should a component become crazed or fractured, please recycle the retired pieces. Don't go getting crazed on me now. That would be crazy. How do I know if you've gone crazy? You like run around the tent in the middle of the night? Always respect hot liquids. I respect you. Especially in the morning. Well, there you go. The first cup of coffee for Dave the Who in 2021. Or, as Daydream About Nice Things Gary might say, some chocolate milk. There's no chocolate in it, Gary. It's like milk and sugar.
This is the way. Listen to me. Hey, listen to me, okay? Look, hey, put it down. Put it down.